Good afternoon, I'm Rick Thompson, the president and co-founder of Green Tech Media. We're here at the Network Grid with Vasilis, who is the CEO of Intelen, and we're going to have a few questions about his company and where they see the market going. What is it that brings your company here, and what is it that you're kind of looking to understand from the Network Grid this year?
We are here at Network Grid because it was a great opportunity for us to present our products for the first time in the US market. This event offers great opportunities for networking. It is a great time being here.
So before we get into the details, can you tell me just a little bit about what Intelen does and what type of products you're making for the market?
Okay, we are a software startup based in New York City. Right now expanding in Florida, Texas, and California. And actually we have a cloud-based meter data management platform that then can connect to existing smart meters, or we can install new ones, take data out of the building in real time, and analyzing the building demand behavior. Now, this is step one. Based on our algorithms, we can estimate the energy efficiency potential of the building. So we know exactly how much money should be invested and what should be done in order to save money, the building to save money. Now, this is step one. Step two, we have an integrated engagement platform, and by the use of our mobile application, we can engage and we can raise the awareness of the employees, of the humans, of the consumers that are inside the building. So it's two in one. We have the building analytics, we have the behavioral analytics, and we try to map human behavior onto the building.
You mentioned consumer engagement. One of the big things I'm hearing around consumer engagement is the concept of gamification. It's my understanding that you guys are doing some pretty interesting things with gamification technology. Can you talk to me a little bit about what gamification is and how you're using it?
Actually, our main differentiation and the way we use gamification is that we gamify not static objectives, we gamify dynamics. So what I mean by that, we gamify demand response. So it's not that we reward objectives in terms of energy efficiency. If you save so much, you get a reward, and so on and so forth. We actually try to create demand response events, and by using mobile application and our engagement platform, we will analyze the whole gamification life cycle. So we actually grab timestamps, we grab the action and the reaction of the humans that are inside the building, and by using this gamification means, because gamification is a buzzword, okay, you have always to assess gamification, you have to measure the results, and by measuring the results, you can adapt the whole thing. Okay, so it's pretty much important to state that we are not gamifying static objectives, we are gamifying dynamics.
So let's talk a little bit about the market structure. I would assume it's relatively fragmented. You've got utilities with their programs, you've got real estate managers, buildings and facilities managers. How are you going to market? How are you selling to these different groups? Can you explain that to me a little bit?
Right now, the most important customers are mainly utilities that have big buildings, and they would like actually to enhance and offer a great market underneath, which is the ESCO market, the energy services and energy efficiency market, okay? And of course, big facility management companies and big real estate companies, in general, big retailers that manage a lot of buildings in real time. So this is for us a very straightforward go-to-market strategy to go and cooperate and contract big retailers in order to go and enter to their building portfolio.
Just to kind of wrap things up, one of the things I'm wondering is, are the utilities, especially as you're going to market, understanding of what the cloud is, what the benefits can be? Are you having to educate them a lot? Can you talk just a little bit about your use of cloud and its penetration in the market? Of
course you have to educate them, and of course at the same time you have to raise the awareness of the utilities in order to use properly this platform. But I think utilities, they need to move forward, okay? They need to do things towards, in order to adopt new technologies such as IPv6 technology, Internet of Things technology, cloud-based systems. This is something brand new right now, but I think they have to follow new horizons, they have to open the horizons towards new technologies. So yes, we can, and at the same time, we are raising the awareness of the utilities in order to use those kind of systems, which I think are the future in general, because they can easily scale up and they can easily increase the efficiency and the customer retention and loyalty of the utilities.